to another video. My name is Anushka. I hope you're all doing really well. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I can't believe most of my viewers aren't subscribed. Come on guys, press the subscribe button. It will mean a lot to me. And before we jump onto the video, we're going to do our post notification shout out, and today's one goes to Shasha. Thank you so much for always commenting and sharing the love. I always see your comments. If you guys want to get featured for next shout out, all you have to do is subscribe, press that bell button and comment in the comments below when you have done so, and then, you know, who knows, you can be the next one. So basically for today's video, I was sent a beauty hamper recently, and I just wanted to share with you guys what I got in it. It's just a hamper full of like beauty products. I have done one of these before. I don't know if you guys, I think you guys really liked it, so here's another one. This was everything that was sent to me, so today I'm just going to be showing you guys what I got. Just need to get it open, but you guys know me, this is obviously not to brag, this is just sharing with you guys what I got. It's just like a normal beauty haul, but these were obviously given to me, which I'm really grateful for, obviously. But I'm just really excited what they've sent me. I see an LA Girl foundation already, so you guys know I love that. Oh, and by the way, everything that I've received will be linked in the info box, so you guys can check them out. Okay, the first thing I see here is a little glam doll thing with my name on it. Oh, I love when my stuff has my name on it. Like, I feel like that's so cute and so like personalized. Let's see what this is. What's this? There's a little note in it as well. Oh, it's a brush set by Glam Doll. A little pouch like this. Oh, these look really pretty. Wow. So this is what the brushes look like. Oh, oh, these are so cute. I want to feel one of them. Okay, they're really soft. They're so soft. This is what it looks like. Super cute brush. So I'm really excited to try these in a next tutorial. You guys know I love to try new brushes, and you can't have too many brushes. So much in here, I don't even know where to start from. Okay, so the next thing that I see in front of me are these Eyelure products. So they sent me the Exaggerate number 141 lashes. This is what they look like. I don't think I'll be able to wear these because they are quite short for me. I need them a good length because otherwise my lashes just take over. So I might keep this for a giveaway. And then we've got a false eyelash blender. So I guess this is something to kind of like help your natural lashes blend with your false lashes. So I might give this a go actually. This is what it looks like. So I don't know, we'll see. We've also got an LA Girl matte foundation, the new ones that just came out. This one is in the shade beige, but you guys know I have two literally that are so dark for me, so I might be able to mix this with them. I really love the foundation, but I haven't found my right shade yet. But I feel like in the meantime I could use this to mix it. So I have a couple of things from Oxygenetics. That's a cool name. So we've got a foundation. I'm not sure this will be a right shade for me, but we'll see. And we also have a oxygenating hydro matrix to soothe and protect. I think it's kind of like a moisturizer and a foundation. So this is the foundation and this is the moisturizer. So I'm really excited to try these. We then have an Australis contour stick. Now I think I've heard of this brand before. I'm really excited to try this actually. So it has like a little sponge on one end and then the contour on the other. Let's try and open this. I swear I've heard of this brand before. Nice colour. Actually, I could use that to bronze. That's what it looks like. You guys see it? It's really subtle, but I think that would be really nice as a subtle contour. Here's just a little close-up of it. Oh, this next thing is some eau de cologne. Eau de cologne. Eau de cologne. I really can't say the brand. Oh my god, look at the packaging. Damn, that brings memories. I might give this to my mum because I feel like my mum would really like this scent. It's not my type of scent, but Yeah, it definitely smells like that old-fashioned eau de cologne. I can't say it properly. But this is what the packaging looks like. It looks like an alcohol bottle or something. Isn't that so cute? So now we've got something from the brand Plume. I already see it's cruelty-free, natural, paraben-free, vegan as well. So that's damn good. What is this? Comes with a brush. Oh. Okay, so this is definitely not the right colour for me, so I might have to keep this for a giveaway. But yeah, it's just like a brow pomade. It looks like this. And it comes with a brush. It looks really like nice. And it comes with a brush. So definitely will keep this for a giveaway because I obviously can't use it. I have a huge giveaway coming because we're almost at 100k, guys. Can you believe that? So yeah, I've been planning a really nice giveaway. Oh, and by the way, for the brand Australis, if you use the code Anushka20, you can get 20% off, which is really cool. Same brand Plume that sent the brow pomade sent me a lash curler. Now, you guys know I love me a lash curler. I'm so excited about lash curler. Oh, this is so cool. As well. Like, have you ever seen a lash curler that looks like this? So much Plume for sending that. I definitely will be using this lash curler. I love a good eyelash curler. So there's this little like chocolate mint lip scrub. Oh, that doesn't. I don't really like that. You know, one thing about me is that I hate anything mint. I can eat chewing gum, but anything else that has got mint in it, I won't eat it. I won't drink it, I won't eat it. So yeah, definitely will be keeping this for a giveaway. Just a regular lip scrub. Australis also sent some banana powder. This goes on light, but it kind of blends into my skin after. Oh, I'm excited to try that. Oh, and they also sent a little gloss as well. This is the gloss they sent me as well by Australis. Anything that starts buzzing, I will freak out. Okay, I remember once I was doing my makeup in this room and I was filming, and at the end of the video I realised there was this huge wasp sitting right next to me. I couldn't actually even do it. It was so close to me as well. Okay, so now the next thing is this Heart of Gold Elixir. Step 4 AM and PM. Helps with hydrating, brightening and plumping the skin. I love those words. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at that. It's so cute. I'm gonna try some. Oh, it smells really nice as well. Oh, I'm gonna love this. Definitely can't wait to try that. This is by Tiffany Anderson. Agave Gold. I am really excited to try that, and it feels so nice on the skin. And it has a bit of tackiness. I feel like under makeup that would be really nice. There's this little puffy bag in here. This is by who? Typo? It's just a little bag. That's cute. You can put like your makeup and stuff, and it says voila on the front. That is so cute. I might give this to my sister because she's going on holiday soon, so I think she'll find this really helpful. Oh, Plume already also put a serum in here. Really excited to try this. It just says that it's an enhancing serum to promote the longevity and fullness of lashes and brows. Also, I'm really excited to try that. Brand that sent the lip scrub also sent this Moondust Luxe Edition Natural Body Scrub. Doesn't smell of anything. So it comes in a huge tub. Obviously if I like it, then I'll definitely let you guys know. Got these little little bits from Pretty Athletic. A glow tonic and a moisturizer. Hyaluronic Vitamin Tonic Workout Glow. And there's a Hydration Kit Gel Body Moisturizer. Oh, let's try the glow. Smells like rose water. A few bits from Patchology. So they have a mask, facial mask, which is hydrating. This is what it looks like. Again, anything that's skincare, I love to try. Oh, they've also given some eye patches as well, and some eye patches Restoring Night Eye Gels and Rejuvenating Eye Gels. So I'm really excited to try these. Let's smell them. That's what it looks like. Doesn't it look so cool? Oh shit, I'm making it drop everywhere. If I like it, you'll definitely hear of it in future videos. Oh, I'm so excited to try that. Okay, so we also got this little set. It's got some shampoo, conditioner, and something else in it. It just comes in a little cute set like this. Again, great for traveling. This is by Salt Alive, and it's an organic vegan bath and body line. This is a 3-piece travel set, so again, I might give this to my sister because she's traveling. Okay, we've got this really big box here. This is by Solista Beauty. They've given us some masks. So this is their instant facial masks. Oh, they've given me so many. I can't wait to try these now. They've got a charcoal, we've got a brightening one. We've got a super hydration one. I love the bright colours on the packaging. We've got Correct and Calm, which is naturally derived coconut mask. Paraben-free, mineral oil-free, no sulfates, no artificial colours. Yeah. So yeah, I can't wait to try these. Obviously, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I usually talk about masks on there. I really like to do masks on like Insta Story or Insta Live. Oh, there's another thing from Plume. Oh my god, Plume have really spoiled me on this. So they've given a little tweezer. That's what it looks like. Okay, we've got a little box in here as well. This says Laura. I think I got someone else's box. So yeah, this is definitely someone else's box. So let's see what's in it. They did say they handpicked stuff for that particular. There's a sweet in there. Oh, they put sweets. Oh my god, I already love you guys. I love you guys. Is it Naven Skincare? Okay, so this brand is Naven Skincare, and they put some little skincare bits in here. Okay, so we've got some anti-aging serum. It comes in a spray form, which I'm really excited to try. And then we've also got some hyaluronic acid moisturizing serum. The anti-aging serum is vitamin C. And they both come in like, oh no, they're not spray, they're pumps. One of them. Let's try the moisturizing one. It doesn't really smell of anything, but it feels really nice. I love skincare, guys. You guys know that. I've said it so many times in this video. And then we have a age-defying moisturizing cream. Oh my god, that looks so cool. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like webby. Any smell of anything again. Oh, and for the foundation, the Oxygenetics foundation have also given me samples of every colour, so I can find my colour. But yeah, that's everything in this beauty hamper. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. There was definitely some interesting stuff, and I really like these hampers because I get to discover and also introduce to you guys like new brands and brands that I don't really hear about. Some are like we obviously know of, but some of them we don't, and I get to try like these new products that we've never heard about, and then obviously let you guys know what I think of them, and if I do like them, you'll see them in future videos. So yeah, thank you so much to all the brands that literally spoiled me with all these products, and to the team that sent me the beauty hamper. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!